In this video, I'll show you how to create a dashboard quickly in Salesforce so your team can see key metrics at a glance. Start by making sure the Dashboards tab is visible in your navigation bar, using the pencil icon to customize it if needed. Open the Dashboards area and click New Dashboard. Enter a clear, purpose-driven name, add a short description, and choose the right folder since folder access controls who can view or edit it. After clicking Create, begin adding components like charts, tables, or metric widgets tied to existing reports. Focus on reports that already contain clean, reliable data, because dashboards only visualize what those reports provide. Arrange components in a simple layout that highlights insights rather than clutter. You can also add filters such as date range or owner to make the dashboard interactive without constant edits. Save and review with real users to ensure clarity and relevance. Subscribe for more practical Salesforce tutorials and admin tips.